What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Ow DD by PNL. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so for this song, you're starting out in standard tuning and you do have a capo on the 2nd fret. I will go ahead and warn you guys, this song is pretty difficult to play. Even I am still working on being able to play it fluidly at full speed. I've slowed it down a lot. I will show you the exact way to play it, and I will have a tab for this song in the description below, so if you want to check the tab out, once you get done with the video, jump in the description, it will be there for you. You're starting out with an E minor chord. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And then your other chord is going to be this dissonant form of like a C. It's 0, 4, or 0, 3, 4, 0, 1, 0. So starting with your picking, you're going to go low E, high E, B, D, high E, A, and then 3, 2, 1. On your B string, but that's going to be all pull off. So you pluck once on the 3, pull it off to 1, pull it off to open. So E, E, B, D, E, A, 3, 1, 0. Again, E, E, B, D, E, B, or A, B3, B1, B open. That plays twice. So jump over to your next chord, and it's going to be A, B, G, D, B, G, D, B, G. And your rhythm is going to be bump, ba bump, 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 ba bump, 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 ba bump, 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 ba bump, bump. Sounds like this. And for that phrase, you're playing it once with your ring finger on the 3rd fret, and then you're playing it once without your ring finger on the 3rd fret. So altogether, it sounds like this. Again. So again, for those you're picking A, B, G, D, B, G, D, B, G for both of those. So again, if you need the tab, jump into the description. It might be easier to look at the tab while also watching the tutorial to really get this down. I'm going to play through the whole thing very, very slowly right now so you can see what it looks like slowed down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.